Navigating Microsoft's complex licensing models can be overwhelming, especially when ensuring compliance, managing costs, and avoiding unexpected audit penalties. No worries, you are not alone in this. Here at the Leop Academy, we are ready to guide you through the world of Microsoft licensing and take any uncertainties away. We break down the complex material into several modules that explain the technical terms, fundamentals of licensing, the different Microsoft contracts and the different licensing models, as well as much more. A tiny detail that is overlooked can lead to serious costs or even jeopardize the future of the firm. For example, you bought the wrong version, or you have the features active of a higher edition. It sounds like a simple mistake. However, it can lead to serious audit penalties for the organization. And of course, the first thing that they will ask is, how could that happen? And to who do they turn? Obviously to us. Therefore, we explain to you how to avoid the most common licensing mistakes and show you how to correctly interpret the Microsoft licensing terms and conditions. By doing so, you can create significant value for the organization and make sure that you are fully in control of your Microsoft licensing position, empowering you to make the best decisions for your organization. You will be the one who saves the day. There is a lot of material to go through, but with our on-demand course, you can view it at your own pace, whenever you want, wherever you want. You also have the ability to rewatch every module of the course again and again to refresh your memory or to find information about a specific licensing model or contract. We do not only provide videos, but also official Microsoft documentation about the latest product terms and conditions. By doing so, we make sure that you stay up to date about the latest information, all at your convenience. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you are new to the field, work in IT, or deal with Microsoft licensing, it is time to familiarize yourself with Microsoft licensing knowledge so that you can cover the Microsoft products in your IT landscape with the right and most efficient number of licenses. Only then you gain maximum value against the lowest costs. Sign up for our Microsoft course for beginners today, and we'll see you soon at the Leop Academy. Bye bye.